Ayan na guys, oh. Mukhang nagliliwanag na. Ha? Pero this time, but another right side, ano pa rin guys, still raining. See that? Because you know why? I planning to fishing today. Today is Monday, but this time is a low tide, 12 o'clock, and grew up to 4 o'clock in the afternoon. The high tide is coming, but the sun already come out because I'm very busy this weekend. This 2 days ago, that's why I don't have fishing. But after this one, guys, I want to show you how to my technique and using line to fishing and catching mama maputi, guys, especially in like 13 years old kids going up to 15 or 16 or 18, guys. I teach you guys how to catching mama maputi or any kind of fish. Today I want to see you guys, especially the using braid. Okay, but after that one, guys, maybe this coming afternoon, maybe trying to fishing. That's my technique, and I want to show you how to cast the fish. By the way, guys, this is my project yesterday. Still hide the grass because yan pa guys yung trabaho natin, guys. You know, yan pa yun, guys. Alright, yan, mahaba pa yan. Yan mga pananim ni Miss, guys, dito. Okay, let's go inside and I demonstrate to you guys how to catching using my technique and my line. I want to show you guys and put the braid inside my hook, because somebody already asking me to you know, like tell me, Papa Jerry, please, I want to show you how to use your line hook with the braid. Okay, or what kind my using my line to go into fishing. After this one, if you have time this coming afternoon, let's go fishing too, guys. Let's go. Alright, guys, good afternoon, guys. This is it, my demonstrate about catching mama maputi and what kind rod and reel I'm using and the line. But by the way, first Tato Omar Ayuste and Daniel in Guam and Mr. B in Sacramento, California, with Mommy Doctora, right? And also shout out to Pamilya full Castro, guys. Yeah, Castro. I forgot again the family name, guys. But by the way, guys, this is my reel. This is a 4,000, guys. 4,000. FX 4,000. This is the one somebody want to asking help to. He told me to demonstrate this my rod and reel to using fishing, catching mama maputi. Any kind of fish, guys. This line you can use also the tulay, right? And this my rod unreal. This is a new one because I don't have already the old one in last year before I go to the state. Somebody take it already or buying that one already, guys. This working the hospital. Si Mr. Sablan, guys. Yeah. But by the way, this my stick now. Before is ugly stick. That's the one Omar. You see it, Omar, the stick, the short. That's Omar. That's the one before. But this time, I have a new stick. I'm lucky. This is Japanese steak. I don't like to buy like that Chinese steak or real, guys. Or rad, right? Rather, because if using this, like you buy like $60 and very easy to broken. Yeah. That's why I always buying Shimano or Pen 4,000, but the pen is very expensive, guys. I remember that one, I buy that one $185 in the fishing tackle, but that one is very beautiful and very strong. He never after that one I using like 4 years or 5 years, he never broken. Yeah, but Shimano like 3 years, at least still okay, but at least Shimano is very good for the Chinese made. Yeah, but any kind Shimano, at least Shimano, guys, right? And this is the one I using like 6 feet. See, look, 6 feet. And somebody told me, Papa Jerry, how many pounds you using line, right? Yeah, guys, you watch carefully this my technique, especially the 10 years old to go up to 15 years old. This is a good knowledge for you guys. So how to catch is a lot of fish, mama maputi, any kind, even the big size. If you know how to reel, if your line is very good. But you don't buy the cheaper line too, because if you buy the cheaper line, you're wasting your money, right? That's why I have a line like US made. I buy in the state US made. Yeah, sometimes like German made or just Japanese made. That's what I'm using. I never using cheaper line. The cheaper line, you hurt your feeling if you catching the good size mama maputi, right, Mr. B? That's my dad in California, guys. See, look, guys, look. Maybe because this time is 12 o'clock, the water going down, very full, going down, low tide. But they starting like 4 o'clock in the afternoon, he going up. Maybe if you have the car, I try fishing and I demonstrate to you. You see already, right? But this time the weather already like almost 1 week again, right? That's why I clean up in my grass, you know, outside, and that at least I'll have to do every day because I'm boring inside my house, guys. Yeah, honest to you guys. But I cannot, sometimes I cannot sleep. Somebody asking me favor to how to demonstrate for my fishing rod and my line and my braid to put inside the my hook. That's why one of the family of full Astro. I teach him in his son in the Ubian last weekend, guys. Yeah, and I tell him because he using the long reel and using like 10 pounds line. But for me guys, honestly you guys, I'm not using the big line, you know, because with the big line you can use the outside the rib or inside the rib, but me only in the shore only, right? Close in the land only, I fishing like that. Yeah. And some people tell me, watching me, and he see my line, right? And he said, hey, that not, you're not using this one, your line. And he told me, and your line is very small. See that, right? My line is very small. But for me guys, I not complain about that one, you know. I honest to you guys. But okay, I think it is on knowledge too, right? But I'm not arguing for these people. So you cannot that catching like that, right? But stay there, continuous fishing. And then, you know, this is my story about my fishing on in the beach side, because some people who don't know me, and they only, is also tell me about to catching the maputi, right? But also he still have rod and reel. Yeah, he have 15 pounds. Yeah, he close to me. And then after that, he's moving little bit, like maybe like 5 meter, right? And then I don't tell you about this people, this guy, guys. And then, you know, this is my story, true story, guys, about my experience in the beach side. I always, you know, see in the weekend, I almost here in the beach side. And she's wonder, guys, he do not catching, but me continues catching and continues video, right? And she come to me, why you always catching by me? I don't have catching. What can you use bait? Because she's using squid. And I think, because I cannot afford to buy squid, because squid is very expensive. Like, I think like $4.60. I don't have job, guys. Right? Honestly, I don't have job. But even I went to the state, right? But I come back, I don't have money. That's true. That's why I tell him the truth. I only using Herman bread. Hans is surprised to me, guys. What? You using Herman? Yeah. You using bread? But let me see how many you catching. And you see it, my bucket, guys. It's a lot, the maputi, big size, and it, wow. You using the bread and you catching a lot of the maputi, that one? Sir, I'm sorry that, but you see it already, right? And then, she close to me. And let me see how to use your bread to put your hook with your line. That's the one I tell him that guy, I honest to you, sir. My line is very small. See, guys, look. Look at, you learn 10 years old, 15 years old, guys, this is my papa line. But this is puro carbon, 6 pounds. Okay, 6 pounds. And that guy said, 6 pounds. You not cut you this sizes of the maputis, the big size. Yeah, because you know, release, you know, you can make it tired, that fish. And she screamed, he threw the what you call it, the squid. And then, you know, me, I not complain, guys, but I said, because like, she's always complaining, hey, why you always catching? And me, I think he cannot catch. That's why, honest to you guys, okay, I don't teaching you, but try my line and my, you know, my line 6 pounds, and the side is 4 pounds, right? But I see this line, because you have like 8 stick, long, and it's 10 pounds. Okay, sir. If you like, I want to change your line to 4 pounds. My own line. I take it my puro carbon to my line, guys. Everything my line is puro carbon. It's very expensive, but you can catching a lot of fish. You can enjoy catching the fish, right? Even maputi, banak, talakitok, big size, any kind, even shark bite, guys. Honest to give me, guys. And then I changes that one, guys. Honest to give you, I changes his line, and he tell me, okay. And I demonstrate for him too, guys. You know. And I stop, like, you know, for me, guys, in Tagalog, I'm not madamot, you know. I'm sharing to my knowledge about this catching Mama Maputi with my rod and reel, or I call him Mr. B, right? After that, guys, I sue for him my walk, and then, sir, I'm sorry to you, but this is my line. Look at guys, I demonstrate to you guys now. So this is my line, and somebody asking me the what they call the help papidiri how to use your line and using the braid. Guys, this is my 4 pounds. Look, 4 pounds. Like you cannot see, because this is like this is a carbon, right? Carbon line. And this is also my 6 pound with 4,000 FX Shimano, guys. Okay. Richard Perido, shout out. Umarayos the guys. Shout out. And if you have money, that's where you buy pen. But I need to give you guys, pen is very expensive. Before I buy 4,000 pen is $185 or $190, I think, in the fishing tackle. Yeah. And Shimano, don't buy the Chinese made, guy. 100%. 6 months already broken, especially the A season. Oh, speaking the A season, guy, I love too. Yeah, I catching that one. Okay, back to my story about that guy, because he asking me how to use this one, the braid. And by the way, guys, but I'm sorry, I don't tell you. This is on names and you know, the personality, or Chamorro, Carolinian, or Chinese, or Korean, or American. Right? I'm sorry that, guys. All right. This is my 4 pounds, right? And this is my hook. Let me see my hook, guys. Right? Look at my hook, guys. 15 years old to win up to 10 years old. Oh, 10 years old to go up to 15 years old. Watch this. Because this is my technique, Papa Jerry. Remember this. This is your knowledge from Papa Jerry, guys. Because it's a lot asking me to give this technique again. Okay, I'm sorry about this, but this is it. Because, guys, even big you line, if I don't know, but somebody he like the big hook, but me only for E. And look at my hand, it's very small, right? And this is it. How is very small for E only, guys. 7 inches, I think, this one, right? But this one nothing hole, right? Nothing hole. Maybe I demonstrate also how to put inside. No, that's better. At least you know how to put this hook too. With guys, it's okay for you guys if my long story about technique for my hook, either to how to roll your hook, and you wait little bit. Me seconds, guys. I take my scissors. Tissue, please. Alright, very easy lang guys, ha? This is it. Watch, this guy was, I don't know if I want to demonstrate again this. This is my technique and I put the, because this one, nothing hole guys, remember? Nothing hole, right? And then I want to cut this one. Yeah, see? I cut because I want to demonstrate to how to put in, inside. Okay. Alright. Now, after this one guys, I want to back to a story about that guy. No, it's not only one, that guy. We have a friend too. Together, that guy maybe like 3 people on another side, but another, that guy is only come because he see it, may catching. But the first one, you tell me, hey, you don't have the catch this one because my line is very small. That is my technique. This one, okay sir, okay sir. I want to know your knowledge too, right? And this is it, guys. And this is very small walk for only for using E. I don't know if you want to see this one. You see that, right? You can make like this one, guys. See? See, right? See that? And then, alright, very small my hook, guys. Only 7, number 7. We see it already, right? Now, you put their side. See? And hold. And making tour around this one. You see? 1. Okay. 2. 3. But we make it straight, guys. 4. 5 or 6, right? This is it. And then you put a hole inside. Hey, the kids watching this one, at least you learn. And then look, guys. See, this is very strong, right? And then you cut this one, guys. See? You see that? You cut already. This is it. 4 pounds. And the 4,000 your line is 6 pounds. Pure carbon. Everything pure carbon, guys. And then this is my bread, right? And that guy, I changed his on the line. Is a line is in this side of the 4,000. He using 10 pounds, right? But I take my line. I cut the 8 pounds. He using 8 pounds, and then I take out that is on in the sinker. I take out. I change only 4 pounds. See, right? I change for him 4 pounds. And then this is now the bread. Remember, the bread is brand new. You don't use the old bread, right? Don't use the old bread. That's why he tell me, why you using the bread? And I tell him, the bread, everything, if you're hungry, you can eat, right? Because I have diabetes. If I'm hungry and eat my bread and I drink my water, at least I not feel something wrong again. Because you know, diabetes, if you're very hungry and you feel weight and like all your thing no more, and you feel cold your body. Okay, back this my story, guys. And then this is my bread. Remember, you what's and this is my wok, guys. You put inside See, you see it. You put inside the wok, inside the bread, there. See, and then Swiss, right? See, look like Swiss, and then like that, guys. See, hold the wok, your line 4 pounds, guys. This is it. Big size, Mama Maputi, talakitok, shark, any kind, rabbit paste. Eat this one, guys. Eat this one. Soon, if I see the spot, but the rabbit paste like this one sizes, but the penis my bread, because the mouth is very small. Soon, I want to see you do about that one, guys. Okay. And that guy tell me, oh, okay, I see for sir, this is it. And then, if you want to do this one, guys, don't forget, brand new bread, Herman bread, Herman bread, sliced bread. Remember that, guys? Sliced bread. Remember this one, Herman bread, brand new Herman bread. Yesterday or today, you buy, and this is it, right? And that guy, I tell him, don't throw hard, guys. Meaning to say, I tell you guys, don't throw like very hard, like slowly, like you're throwing normal, right? Because if you're throwing hard, the bread is going to fly. It's going losing your bread, right? And your bread in the water, the Mama Maputi, malit or hangpol, very fast to eat your bread, right? But remember, the size your bread is not very big, because it's big, you're wasting your time. The fish already full, right? That's why that guy, and then he throw, it be like 5 minutes, right? He cuts that the Maputi, and oh shit, this is it. Your thickness very good. He's very happy. That guy. By the way, my video, guys, is already long time, but this is my technique, guys. Honestly with this, especially the 15 years old, 10 years old. What's this my technique? Okay, and the one asking me people to demonstrate my technique. This is it. This is it. Okay, you can cut. Honestly, you can cut 30 pieces of Maputi or over 30 pieces, or even 15 pounds. You can cut. Yeah. Yeah, by the way, supposed to be, I want to go fishing, but this time the weather is very bad. Maybe, at least I demonstrate already to my technique, or my, yeah, this is my technique, guys. Yeah, and that guy is, believe me already. That's why, that's why you're catching a lot of fish. You're smart to use your line and olive bread, and that smell, it's not smell like you see, smell bad, because squid, and also the if you're hungry, if you have diabetes, very dangerous, guys. Honestly, you're very dangerous if you don't have you're already hungry, because of diabetes, very hard. Yeah. Okay, Yeah, I'm sorry that my demonstrate about my fishing, and that guy is believe me now, and I see it is smiling, and yeah, everything he changed to be your friend. Now is always fishing too. I see it on beach side, and especially the catching the EE. I'm a very good guy already. You know that family too. Yeah, that's but it's hey, Papa Joey. He's a funny guy too, guys. All right, and this is guys. If you see there, this one. Thank you for watching this one, guys, and I'm sorry for somebody. I heard this feeling because this is my technique. I share to you guys because as I love the kids. I want to know the kids like 10 years old to grow up to 15 years old to my techniques to catching mamamaputi or banak or any kind of fish in this island, guys. Because this technique, guys, is your knowledge. Shit to you if you don't like to follow my technique. But this is my technique to catching a lot of the fish here in island, guys. That's why I come back. I miss fishing because in the state very hard, guys, and very dangerous there. You see, in Reno, like 4 hours to go to Sacramento, California. In the San Francisco, to go to fishing that place is very far, right? Or in in the Sacramento, California, it's a lot also the river there, but I don't have time about that one, guys. And then we have the license to buy your things, guys, right? And by the way, guys, thank you for watching this video. Please don't run away my ad, please. Please, I have little bit my money for buying my bread, and please support my channel. And remember that you're watching, especially the kids 10 years old to up to 15 years old, watching this video for this knowledge to catching a lot maputi. Guys, honestly, this is a lot fish here inside, but every day if I go fishing, a lot catching any kind of fish, guys. Yeah. All right, guys. That's my technique, and that guy now is very happy. If I hear that guy, these people, you know that also, guys. And please, that's my. I only ask you people, guys. You help my channel, and enjoy fishing and praying to God. You know, one is you know, sometimes the mind too much thinking money and then promising people, but in mouth too much acting God, but inside devil, guys. I'm sorry that there's something happening to me already, guys. Yeah, I'm sorry to tell about that, but that's true, right? I'm not lying. You know why I want to lie? My life will be very, very short. You don't know me after, you know, but I'm sure that. But that's the way that's it. That's my technique. And you learn this technique because if you know my technique, guys, you bring your bucket too, sit down, you bring your 6-pack beer, or maybe you can make barbecue. Guys, no need to buy fish. Fishing in this line, barbecue fish, everybody eating, enjoying, right? Okay, guys, see you si Maasi. Daw mo rin gati dimas kani. In Tagalog, maraming salamat. In English, thank you very much. And God bless you, guys. Remember, God bless you. Okay? I love you, guys. I love you, Mama in the sea and Mama in the land. This is Papa Jerry, guys. I love you, guys. And God, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. And don't forget, God bless you. And I love you, guys. Bye, guys. See you soon. Thank you. Love you.